Make homemade Rocky Road ice cream without an ice cream maker. This no-churn ice cream recipe is quick, easy, and it's the perfect summer dessert. Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Start by adding 2 cups of heavy whipping cream to a stand mixer. Next, add in half a cup of Dutch cocoa powder and mix starting on low to avoid splattering. Gradually increase the speed as the mixture starts to thicken. Continue to increase the speed until you're at full speed. Whisk until stiff peaks form. Then add in 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk and fold to combine until you have a smooth chocolate mixture. Transfer a third of the ice cream mixture to an 8-inch cake pan and spread it out evenly. Drizzle it with chocolate ganache sauce, which I'll link my recipe for this in the description. Then I'm using Toony Moony organic marshmallow cream, which is the only organic marshmallow-like fluff out there, and it's so good. Swirl that around and then add in sliced almonds. Continue to do this 2 more times, layering ice cream, chocolate ganache, marshmallow fluff, and almonds. Then it's time to let this ice cream chill in the freezer until it's frozen, ideally overnight. This is going to be the hardest part. But then it's ready to enjoy all summer long. If you want more frozen dessert recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.